Good day, ma'am. This program is about decimal to binary. First is model small. Tells the assemblers we're using memory model, one data and one code segment. Then next is 100 stack, 100 each. Then data. And then enter number 0 to 5. Then next message 2 is 1310 binary. Then next is code main prox. Then AUX gets the starting address of data using data. Then D is AUX set up the data segments printer. Then display input message. So display input message is DOS interrupt 21 function O9 prints a string and with dx. Then read parse characters. Then message that will display showing the binary result. Then read sequence characters. Reads the next way. 13 is enter key. If reset, it means the number is single digit, so escape for 2 digit. So ano. Then next is convert 2 digit to number. Convert second characters to numeric value. Then check if valid or 5 because next numbers is allowed is storage in BH. Then convert. To convert is combine digit into a numbers. A 4 digits BL 10. Then display. Then X is this one, no? 1 display. Display is print binary 4 digit 4 bits message before computing binary digit. That's invalid. So DOH function for its exists program. Then invalid. It input is invalid prints invalid input and exit. Then this is a run code. I put the 5 digit then run.